how to speed up Google Chrome browser. So the very first thing that we want to do is you will need to go at the top right at the three lines, all right, next to your avatar, and you will go to settings. All right, next step, you will see like in here in this section you will see multiple options. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead right here to our system. Make sure that continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed is turned off and not turned on. Okay, the very first thing that the very next thing that we want to do is you will gonna click reset settings, and it will reset some settings and Google shortcuts. So we're gonna just click reset settings and we're gonna wait for a few seconds. And the last thing that I want to make sure of is by just going right here at the top right and go to, and you will go right here to extensions and go to manage extensions. I've seen a lot of people have like more than 10 apps that unnecessary. So please, if you have unnecessary apps on your extensions, please delete them from your Google Chrome to be able to use it a little bit more faster. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.